Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and as creatives today, we are discussing about the budget gaming PC build in a 50,000 budget segment. Let's discuss the main components to the PC build. Number 1, a processor. It's AMD Ryzen 5 5600 best processor. In a budget segment, it's around 13,000, 6 cores, 8 threads processor. Number 2, motherboard. Gigabyte B550M Dishri motherboard. It's about 10,750 rupees. As per the budget, motherboards plays crucial roles in PC build. We have to choose the best budget motherboards to the PC build, so we have and choose this motherboard. Number 3, storage. We are using M.2 SSD. Why? Because it has best read speed with other storage like HDD and SSD. SSD also okay, but I always prefer M.2 and NVMe, the SSD, so that's why we are using WD Green 240 gigabytes RAM we are using in a budget. Number 4, RAM. XPG Lancer 16GB RAM. For this PC build, it comes with the RGB. It looks good and very well performance of this RAM. It's about around 6,000 rupees. You can choose 8GB RAM also. Number 5, power supply. We are using Gigabyte P550B. It runs very smooth and noise free. It's around 1,000 rupees we will get in refurbished but runs good. We have to manage components with our respective budget. Thanks for watching this video. And like and subscribe and press the bell icon.